Okay, hello, Miss Sherred Science class. Bailey, this is my bird, Munnin. She is a monk parakeet, also known as a Quaker parrot. Quaker parrots come from the region of South America. They are mainly evolved to eat seeds and nuts. They live to be about 30 years old in captivity and are exceedingly aggressive. As you can see, she has a hooked beak used for cracking open seeds and doing this. She loves doing that. Her feet are also made for easy grip and grabbing, much like birds who climb, because she likes to climb. As you can see, they can fly, but they fly to tree and often climb instead of doing so. A fun fact about these birds, they have no sexual dimorphism, which means males and females are almost identical. The only way to tell them apart is by their behavior, and even then, it's hard to tell. As you can see, they're very green. This is an adaptation for the forest, as they live in the canopy of South America. Their wings, if she'll let me look at her wings, I can show you off her feathers. Of course, it doesn't look like she wants me to show y'all. As you can see, that's what she just did. They often do that out in South America. Get back over here. These birds eat a diet of mainly nuts, bugs, and seeds. Let me see if you can see it real quick. These birds are actually the only type in their genus, or their species, rather. They're very intelligent and can talk. The only thing she's really said is a bad word to my dad. See, this is a small treat for her. Apparently she doesn't want it right now. As you can see, they love to climb, and they love to be naughty little birds. If I give her one of my rings, she'll simply pick it up and walk around with it. These birds tend to be on the ground more than they are in the air, and they're super naughty. Monk parakeets are known as pests because of how many of them there are. They've immigrated all over and are exceedingly aggressive. Once again, that's why they are also illegal in 11 states, but not Texas. So this is legal, me owning her. This is Munnin, once again. And fun fact about these boys, you see the clear part of the beak? That has to be trimmed every once in a while when it starts hooking around real bad. Much like you trim their claws like you would with a dog. They are good, they're just kind of mean. One of their personality traits. Females tend to be more territorial. Men who live with other birds are also aggressive, but females are exceedingly. That's why we assume she's female. There, feathers. Feathers are made for flight. As you can see, they easily spread and turn. Very colorful as to attract mates. The wings, she doesn't want me to show y'all apparently. Also very colorful to attract mates, and it's how they fly. Ow! Okay, what was that? They are actually very intelligent birds. Do know how to speak. She's only learned one word. I guess it'd be two. Said it to my dad. These are hard. Very hard, but she's got her little serpent tongue in there. It doesn't hurt when she bites unless she's biting me very hard, but she just tends to do that. Oh, there you go. These birds have a very short digestive system. apparently. Going back on my sexual dimorphism statement, females, I mean, they're colorfully, if you were to see these things in the wild, you would not be able to tell without getting close up. Males are slightly, only 10% bigger, but I do not have another bird to compare her to. There you go, showed off her wings. The bottom of the wings are blue, once again, for maids. Very colorful tail feathers, and these things are very playful, and they love to climb. They love to get high, and they have very weird necks, made for reaching. You see, they're very flexible. These birds often, they're actually one of the only parrots that build stick nests instead of staying in holes. They're also mean as heck. Come here. Come here. Oh, I don't. As you can see, they're very vocal as well. Munnin is about a year old, which is when they start showing signs of being adults. Oh my god. She's having fun. They're parrots. They love to sit on shoulders. Munnin is about a year old, which is when they start showing signs of being different genders and aggressiveness. They love to kiss, and they love to make noises. Come here. I really hope you didn't poop on my shirt. Okay, no. So that's Munnin. It's again monk parrot, native to South America, about a year old. Well, I didn't talk about these. Watch. These are under feathers. She's kind of in molt right now, but these are used for flight and for warmth. Because you know all that rain is really bad for them. That rain, come on. For watching. It's been my video on the Quaker parrot. You're a little mean girl.